Hello friends, I'm back again with the new topic in Excel. Today in this video, we are going to learn about Vlookup. What is this Vlookup actually? Vlookup stands for vertical lookup. As the name specifies, Vlookup is a built-in Excel function that helps you to look for a specified value by searching for it vertically across the sheet. So here, to search for some data inside the table, you need to use the Vlookup formula here. And so by using this Vlookup, here you can see here, say for example, I want to search for the marks of a student here. So I will just click on the student name. Here I said Jahanavi. Immediately you will get the marks of the student. Then if you want to search for the next student, say for example Arush, you can see here immediately the marks will be appeared here in the cell. So like this you can search for any student marks. You don't need to go for each and every student in searching in the table. So this Vlookup is very useful when you have the large amount of data, that is rows and columns in thousands and lakhs. That time this Vlookup formula is very useful. So for example, if someone comes to ask you for the marks of a student, so for example, you want to search the name of the student like Jahanavi. So you don't need to go to search for the name like Jahanavi and say here, yeah, the student was absent in maths or science, she got 98. Like this, you don't need to search. Just you need to search, click on the name, say for example, Jahanavi, and here you will get the marks. Same way here, either subjects you can insert in separate cells, or you can use the drop down arrow here, drop down arrow, and you can choose the subjects. So immediately when you click on the subjects here, it will display the marks. So like this you can use this Vlookup formula for your searching the data. So let's start with the formula now. Here I want to use Vlookup formula to search the marks of the student with the name. So first here in this cell, I will just put any one name. So just take the example Parth. I have given the name of the student Parth, and here I want the marks. So marks of the subjects. So first I will say maths here. I will take the maths. Now here I have to apply the Vlookup formula. So how will you apply the Vlookup formula? First you have to start with is equal to Vlookup and then open bracket. And here as soon as you put the open bracket, here you will get 4 parameters. Lookup value, table array, column index, and number. So here first we have to enter the lookup value. So lookup value with the name. So I want to search with the name of the student. So here name we have given in N3. So just click on this name. So N3, comma. Now I want to I have to insert the table array. So table array means the entire table you need to select from where you want to search the data, and then comma, and then column index. Now this maths subject is in which column in this table? So here the maths is in second column. This is 1. You are not supposed to count this serial number. Why? Because we have not selected the serial number here. We have just selected the table array from name. So the name is the first column and the maths, this is second column. So here you have to enter the column number 2 and then comma. Now you have to say true or false. True means if you want approximate value, you have to say true. If you want the exact value, you have to say false. So I want exact value here, so I will say false. Either you can type 0 for false, or you can type the word false, and just close the box. So here you can see here Parth was absent for the maths exam. So here you can check absent. So same way you can change the name of the student. Say for example here now I want to take the student name as Pujita. So here when you say Pujita, see here the marks will be immediately displayed automatically here. Maths marks. Pujita's maths marks 45. So same way, now instead of typing the name every time, you can just here you can insert the drop down list. Now how will you insert the drop down list here? To insert the drop down list, just you need to click on this name, and here you need to click on data tab. In data tab, you have to click on data validation. data validation, click on data validation, and in settings in allow, you have to choose list. Click on list, and here source, you need to choose the source, means the names of the student. So just click on this source and select the source. I want to take the names here. So just select the source and click on this source and click on OK. So here you can see here, you will get the drop down arrow here. Just you can select the name from this list. See here, Prasiddhi 94 in maths. You can check. Same way, Namish 67 in maths. So like this you can change the names and automatically you will get the marks of the student. Now here, same way you can enter, you can select for other subjects also. Now I'm going to apply the Vlookup formula for other subjects also. So for science, now here again I will say is equal to Vlookup, open bracket, and then what I have to say, the name. I have to select the name and then comma and then table array. I will select from name the complete table and then comma and here the column number. Now for science, so the science, the column number is 3. So 3 and then comma 0. Close the bracket, enter. So science marks for Prasiddhi is, you can check, 76. Same way for social, same is equal to Vlookup and then open bracket, you have to select the name, comma, then the table array and then comma, the subject column. Here the subject column for social is 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4, comma 0. Close the bracket. Enter. The social marks for Prasiddhi is, you can check, 75. So like this you can apply for the formula, Vlookup formula for other subjects also. And as soon as you change the name here, you can see the marks also will change. So hope it's clear, my friends. So please, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel, share it, and we'll meet again in my next video. Thank you for watching.